Good morning guys, how's it going? Welcome back to the Weekend Adventure. Welcome back to the United States of America. Quinn and I are heading up to upstate New York. We are actually about to do a hike right now. But first, before we do that, check out this awesome hike we did yesterday. Probably the best waterfall I've seen in my life. So check it out quick. How's it going? My hand! My hand is so cold.
You can feel my fingertips.
I think we slipped like 10 meters down this hill. That was kind of sore, but also fun, but also not fun because it's really cold. But we made it to the big waterfall, so that's good. So we made it out to the biggest top waterfall, and pretty much looks like it's raining, but it looks epic, and the lens is getting so wet. It is amazing up here.
That's me.
Who are you?
Quinn.
So now that we have been thoroughly drenched by this waterfall, we're going to be heading back to the car, and then we have another hour-and-a-half drive to our Airbnb for the night. But it's all good, because tomorrow we have some super fun stuff as well that you'll see in the rest of this video. All we have to do is not slip and fall like we did earlier. Look at this. Just look at this hill going up here. Please don't hurt yourself. We just don't have to die, and then we'll be all good. Good morning.
Morning.
What's happening? How are you doing this morning?
I'm good. I'm excited for this hike.
Should be a good one.
Yeah.
Quinn's done this hike before, so she highly recommends it.
Fun fact that I learned from the guy that lives on the top of this mountain last time I was here is that the Adirondack Park is the largest national park in the continental United States. And we're hiking to the top of the highest, or second highest peak. I don't know, there's a fire tower up there. It's cool.
All right, let's do this thing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So the hike's off to a good start. As you can see, we're pretty much just walking on ice, so it's very slippery going up. We don't want another incident of yesterday.
Baby, come on.
Go without me. Go on without me.
Never.
It's always an adventure though, so it's good to get out here back in nature again, away from the city for a bit, and see the rest of beautiful United States. Yeah, it is working.
Penis!
That's cool. That's gonna go in the vlog.
No! Oh my god, that wasn't supposed to be on camera.
Who are you?
Piglet.
So I think we are pretty much halfway up the mountain, but it is a lot more difficult than it seems because this whole trail, as you can see, is just covered with snow. So every single step you take, you have to really concentrate on where you place your foot. And yeah, most of it has been uphill as well. So it's been a pretty slow hike up here. It would be a lot quicker if there was no snow, obviously. But I think we're almost there. And it's looking very beautiful up here. It's so peaceful and quiet. And you can just listen to the wind if we stop. So peaceful.
So lame.
We have finally made it up to the top. I think this is the highest point in the Adirondacks National Park, and it is spectacularly beautiful up here. Unfortunately, I really wanted to fly the drone, but it's super windy, as you probably can't tell because I have the furry fluffy thing on the mic, so it's all good. But there's this really cool fire tower over here, and we're gonna go up to the top and get a 360 aerial view, not aerial, perspective of this place. Let's go. I almost hit my head. I feel like I'm gonna drop my camera actually. Yeah, it's really windy. We're almost there.
I'm gonna be blown away like a feather.
Well, that kind of sucks that this fire tower is closed at the top. There was a lock on the thing. I don't know if you can see or hear me. But we still got a bit of a cool view up there. I think we're gonna go on the other side of the mountain here just to chill out and have some snacks out of the wind, because this wind is so cold. My hands are freezing off, but
Snack time!
yeah. Look how cute this cabin is up here. Whoa! Nice, I just slipped like halfway into the snow.
It's so nice out.
We had some cheese and crackers, and we had mac and cheese, and it was really good. But now it is time to head down again. We have quite a long walk down, but I think we're gonna try and have some fun. I really want to slide down on some sleds or something, because going up here was walking along ice pretty much. So I've looked for some pieces of wood and stuff that we can use to slide down, so we're gonna go test it out. So we'll see how well that works. If we do get lucky, we should have a fun time going down.
Yeah! Well, now we each have a sled. Woohoo! Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Woohoo!
Yeah, let's go.
Woohoo!
Well, my lens just got covered in snow, but it's all good. This is fun. It's not working out as well as I expected it would, but still fun nevertheless. We're going like a few meters at a time, and falling in the snow is always good.
We are trying to sled. Just kidding. Dina's trying to sled, and we're dying, and it's like the best thing ever, but you know, it's not going so well.
Don't die. So, how's it going?
Oh, it was so fun when it worked.
It was. These people were like, what are you doing?
The past two people were like, okay, good luck. And we're like, we're gonna sled!
I think we might have found a solution. So I went down right now, sitting on my hands. So I got down like probably 20 meters. So Quinn's gonna try it now. We'll see if this works. Let's go. Sit on your hands. Yes!
That was a good one! Why can you do it and I can't?
Because I'm the best.
Rude.
Finally made it back to the car. Unfortunately, we couldn't sled all the way down as much as I would have liked to. It was still fun sliding on our feet all the way down, but we've made it back. So Quinn has some explaining to do as to why we are driving in a minivan.
It's a swagmobile. My dad sold my truck when I left for school, university, and then the woman that I babysit for has a third vehicle because it's Connecticut, and she was like, you can take it! So I was like, I'm gonna drive a minivan, and here we are in a minivan.
So we're back on the road, back with dried mango, the best road trip snack in the world. And we're heading to a place called Lake George. That is kind of the final destination of where we are going. It's a beautiful, massive lake. Hopefully I can get some drone shots there. Hopefully it's not as windy as it was here. But we'll see when we get there. I think it's about 30 minutes, so we'll be there soon. Woo! We made it to the lake. Yeah!
Yeah! Oh my god, it's a steep ass hill.
Yeah, don't crash into the lake. Finally made it to the lake. It's a bit colder than I thought it would be though, but I imagine this place must be beautiful in summer to come out and canoe on here. Just check this out. We're still gonna probably just go for a walk along the edge of the lake, maybe have some snacks once again, and just chill out and enjoy the view. Look at my girlfriend.
Oh my god,
what
I'm
a child.
My ugly shoes. Well, shoe and sock combo.
Oh, cute. You're meant to be cute.
Yeah.
It is sunset, still looking beautiful as always. So beautiful. It looks like a wallpaper right now. Damn. Okay, so we have made it to the Airbnb we're staying at tonight. We're staying in some guy's apartment, and it feels pretty weird being in somebody else's living space. He's currently at work, so we are just alone in his apartment. He's got a separate room to this thing. But we made it, so that's all good. It's been a fantastic day, and hopefully we get a good rest for tomorrow's adventure as well. Hope you guys enjoyed all the cinematics and all the footage that went along with today, and I'm sure there's going to be many more beautiful scenes to come. So if you guys liked the video, please hit like. If you're new around here, hit the subscribe button. And in the meantime,
stay weird, don't die, and make it happen. That was really like on point, like didn't even have hesitation.